Yes, supermodel.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am bringing you guys a hair video. I have been wearing my hair up in a pineapple for the past 2 weeks of social distancing. There's nothing wrong with that if you like take your hair down during the day, but I've been wearing it up in a pineapple for like 2 weeks straight. So it's kind of been breaking out the back of my hair, and detangling it has been hell because it's been matted in the middle from being in a pineapple. So I decided to do a protective style today. I've never used any type of crochet hairstyles before, so I'm going to be doing crochet dreadlocks. This is a first. I'm actually excited. This is only 14 inches because I live in West Texas and it's been super hot lately, so I don't want to have anything too long weighing down my head. I'm gonna attempt to do this to myself, so let's just jump straight into it. I washed my hair last night and I braided it up into a ponytail and put a little bit of leave-in conditioner in it, so it's gonna look crazy whenever I take off this scarf, but at least now it's stretched and dried for the most part, so I should be able to braid it and section it off easily. So right now I'm sectioning off my hair to have some nice clean parts for my dreads, and I'm going to be using Cantu's Shea Butter Coconut Curling Cream to keep my braids moisturized under my faux locks. So I just braided one braid. My hair is much longer than 14 inches apparently. I did not think this through well, you guys, so I hope I don't have to go to the store and look for longer hair. Oops. This is one dread. So I got this little crochet tool. Now I'm supposed to pull this through my hair like this. Hook the crochet hair onto it. Close it. Put right back through my hair. These faux locks are actually hollow, so I was able to wrap the hair around my braid without having to use the tool to pull my hair through it. It worked! So I'm just going to speed through repeating these steps throughout the rest of my hair, and you guys can sit back and enjoy the music while I do so. So the farther up to the front of my hair is actually a little bit longer than the nape of my neck. So I started doing this method where I actually fold the ends of my braids over and wrap them around themselves so that they don't hang out the bottom of these 14-inch faux locks. So I also picked up these hair clips to clamp around a few of these locks. I thought it would be cute to accessorize them a little bit. So there you guys have it. First time me doing a crochet stall with 14-inch faux locks. This is how they look on day 2. I put the front of them up out of my face and I am so happy with how they turned out. I'm gonna wear this for a couple of weeks actually. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and slap that notification bell to be notified the next time I post a video. Bye y'all.